yeah, you guys changed my life. So yeah, thank you so much.
Hello, I am Zoe and I'm a recruitment advisor at IT Online Learning. And today we will be talking to Lamar, who is going to tell us about how he found the whole process with IT Online Learning. So, welcome, and can you tell us a bit about yourself and what do you do for a living?
Okay. Hi, I am Lemar, and I am an IT technician for Covo, which is basically an IT company that wants to make things easier for retailers. So they basically focus on the communication between retail workers. So they've got headsets that they do, and my role is to configure the headsets for the massive retail shops. Yeah.
And where did you work prior to registering with us?
Okay, so I was an Amazon L1 associate for one of their warehouses. So basically what I did was sorting out the parcels, picking, packing, making sure deliveries were on time, all that stuff that, works with Amazon. So yeah.
And what did you enjoy most about studying with IT Online Learning?
I enjoyed the part where it's easy to access. Like, I can wake up at 2 a.m. and literally start studying. I can be at a party and start studying. So I can easily access the information. I can work with it, with good mentors, good tutors. Yeah, so that was the best part.
And which memorable features shaped your journey most?
I think it was working with the recruitment team, because the recruitment team, like, I am very, very young, very new to the professional world, and I didn't know anything about being professional. So the recruitment part, everything, the CV making, the interviews, I didn't even know how to prepare for an interview. So I think everything that goes in the professional world is like my best part of IT Online.
And how have we helped you grow professionally and personally?
Like I said, professionally, I think it's everything, basically everything: the CV writing, the interview, the how to apply for a job, basically all the tips and tricks to make you stand out, because these companies are receiving like loads of applications. So I think it was just that. Professionally, it was everything. And as a human being, I think it was, I limited myself. I'm not, IT was like one of the jobs I never thought I would do. It's high up there with other jobs. So as a person, I'm capable of doing anything. So with all the help, all the research, as a person, it was just that I'm capable of doing it. So yeah.
And would you recommend IT Online Learning to your friends, family members, or colleagues?
Yes, I would definitely recommend to like loads of people. I've already recommended it to loads of people already. So yes, I would.
Very good. Well, thank you so very much, Lamar, for answering all the questions for today. And us at IT Online Learning wish you everything of the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you for everything. And I will always come back and get loads of help if I can. because yeah, you guys changed my life. So yeah, thank you so much.